How to turn on assistive touch button on iPhone 12. So if you have an iPhone 12 and you want to add the assistive button to your iPhone home screen, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. This works on all the iPhone 12 series, whether iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max. So whether your iPhone 12 is now running on latest iOS 18 or not, you can easily follow the steps I'm about to share with you in this video to add or turn on assistive touch button on your iPhone 12. So the first one to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Now, once you open the settings app, just like this, you want to scroll down. Keep scrolling until you get to accessibility. Now, once you selected accessibility, scroll down and then click on touch under physical and motor. Once you selected touch, locate assistive touch and then click on it. Then here you have the assistive touch turned off. Then to turn this on, just go ahead and click on this button to turn it on. Once you toggle on the assistive touch button, then you should see this button added to your iPhone home screen. Now you can configure the assistive touch button based on your preference. So just come to custom action, click on single tap and select what you want to happen. Double tap, long press. Then you can also come to create new gesture, ideal, keep opacity, device as pointer, and then some other features of the assistive touch here. Then when next you want to use the assistive touch button on your iPhone, you just need to just come here, press on it, and this is going to take you back to the home screen, or this is going to open the app switcher. So if I triple tap, this is going to increase my volume, and if I'm anywhere outside the home screen and just go ahead and click on the assistive touch button, it's going to take me back to the home screen. See that? So you can easily customize the assistive touch button to suit your preference under the assistive touch. So that is basically how to turn on assistive touch button on iPhone 12. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.